Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little program where we open multiple text files. So on the desktop here I have a folder, and in there I have file A, file B, file C. Now I'm going to open those all together. So let's just go back to the program. So what we're going to do is we're going to create here a subroutine called sub open multi files. And we're going to print a message to the user so the user knows what to do. Enter a path. So I'm going to enter a path starting with C like that. Now we're going to do chomp the new line, then create my scalar path and assign it to standard input here, which will grab the user input. The user will type in a path and it will grab that input. And then what we do, we use CHDIR for change directory into that path. So we'll type in a path and we'll take the user input and then we'll change into that path. Okay, so next thing we do is we print out a message to the user, okay, telling the user what's happening. So opening multiple text files and a new line there, and I'm just going to type in sleep here because I'm going to pause the program for 1 second, so that makes it look like it's working, like something's happening. Okay, now I'm going to create an array called files. I'm going to assign it to glob here, and we're going to put all those files into that array in the path, and then we're going to loop through them. So for each, I'm going to create another variable here called file in the files. For each file in there, we're going to loop through and we're going to come on to the conditional if here. So we'll use the if statement. So if scalar file, so we're looping through all those files. If the scalar file, I have to use this up here, matches, this is where we do a little bit of regex. Oh dear, 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 dear. It's all that together like that. So that's the matching operator. If it matches, here comes the regex dot txt, and the $sign here for means on the end. So if we've got a name like a.txt, it's going to match .txt at the end. So if it matches that, because we're looking for txt files only here, we're going to do something. Right. We're going to open the file, so we do it like this. Open my scalar file handler here, and we're going to open it to read like this, and that's going to be the scalar file. Then we're going to use a generic error message if something goes wrong, or die error opening file. And we're going to do a while my scalar line assign it to the file handler here. So we're going to loop through, we're going to open the file and we're going to loop through each line in the file. Then we're going to print the line out, which is simply going to be print scalar line. Okay. Right, okay, so what we're going to do now is we're just going to call this. So we call it by open multi files. Like I said before, we've got 3 text files. Let's run it. Okay, got syntax error near 21. Okay, syntax error is here. I should have signed it there. Okay, let's run the program. Okay, so let's enter the path here. See users mark desktop X. Hit enter. Okay, so opening multiple text files. So we've got opening multiple files. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below. And I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.